Dollar-yen hit a 7-week low and gold climbed to its highest in 7 weeks, as Hormuz deal hopes reshuffled the board overnight. Forex, metals, and indices are all in play today, and the biggest mover is saved for last. Dollar-yen is trending firmly lower, with recent price action showing the pair posting successive lower highs and the structure pointing toward further weakness. Intervention from Japanese authorities has reinforced selling pressure at elevated levels, keeping the path of least resistance tilted toward lower levels while that structure remains intact. The trend on Aussie franc is pointing firmly higher, with momentum favoring continued strength as the structure holds above recent support. The pair has been building a pattern of higher lows, and the broader trend leans higher as long as that foundation stays in place. Kiwi franc mirrors the broader risk-on tone in the crosses, with the trend leaning clearly higher and price action consolidating above key structural support. The setup continues to favor an extension toward higher levels as the bullish structure holds. The French 40 has been trending strongly higher, with the index holding above recent breakout levels and momentum remaining constructive. The structure favors a continuation toward higher levels, and the path of least resistance stays pointed upward, while that base holds. Euro-dollar is trending higher, supported by broad dollar weakness following the 7-week low in the greenback. The pair has been posting higher lows, and the trend leans higher as that structure holds, and dollar headwinds persist. Aussie dollar is trending higher within a constructive structure, with the pair benefiting from the softer dollar environment and risk sentiment stabilizing across Asia-Pacific markets. The path of least resistance remains tilted toward higher levels while the current trend structure holds. Pound dollar is holding firmly above 134, with the trend leaning higher as dollar weakness provides a tailwind. Price action has been forming higher lows on the intraday structure, keeping the probable path pointed toward higher levels, while that setup remains in place. Euro franc is trending higher, with the cross benefiting from a firmer euro and a softer risk-off bid for the Swiss franc, as Hormuz-related uncertainty eases. The trend structure leans higher, and the path of least resistance favors further extension toward higher levels. A developing Iran-Oman-Hormuz shipping deal drove the dollar to a 7-week low while easing inflation anxieties across bond markets. Gold surged as cooling Fed hike bets lifted the metal. On the calendar today, the one to watch is U.S. unemployment claims. Gold is the standout mover on the board today, climbing to a 7-week high as cooling Fed hike expectations and Hormuz deal optimism combine to drive the metal sharply higher. The trend is strongly bullish, the structure is building on higher lows, and the path of least resistance remains firmly pointed toward higher levels as long as that momentum holds. That is the morning picture across Forex, metals, and indices. Subscribe to ForexBullion so the evening wrap lands the moment it is live, and the next edition checks whether gold's 7-week high held into the close. This is general market information for educational purposes only, not financial advice.